Hello and welcome to Media Production. My name is Ms. Grise and I teach the Media Production class. The Media Production class is an introductory computer course designed to teach students how to create, enhance, and encode digital media. The students will explore different forms of digital media to create audio, video games, graphic design, and written media content. The main objective of the Intro to Media class is to introduce students to coding in an enjoyable way. Throughout the course, they will explore techniques used to create audio projects, video game code, graphic design, and social media content. The first unit of the course introduces students to Scratch 3.0, which is a simple coding language that's used to create video games and other simple projects. Scratch code is easy to learn because it snaps together and it allows students to learn how to think in coding language. The next unit uses a written coding language called Sonic Pi. In this unit, they'll learn how to use Sonic Pi to create simple samples and to mix music like a DJ. The final unit explores social media marketing. Students will utilize video production equipment and applications to create advertisements like the influencers they see on social media. Each class will begin with a live Nearpod lecture. These interactive lectures will record student responses and quizzes to measure student engagement. The interactive Nearpod lectures also contain videos and directions that walk students through the coding process for the day's coding project. These Nearpods will help the students be able to complete the project that's due at the end of each class period. These assignments will be put together into a portfolio of projects. The assignments will then be submitted to Schoology for feedback and collaboration. The projects that we'll create throughout the term include video games, coding musical compositions, and analyzing and creating social media marketing content. The overall goal of the class is to teach a 21st century skill, coding, because students are going to need this in their future.